So I've picked up this rather dirty record recently, and I'd like to play it, but I think I need to clean it first. I think that's just dirt from being stacked up with some other records, and it's just dust has settled in it over a period of time. So as I've been using this Swarfega original classic hand cleaner quite successfully on the woodwork of gramophones, I thought it was worth giving it a little try on a record and see what it does. There are warnings about not getting it in your eyes, but it's designed to go on your hand, so presumably it's not got anything too potent in it. So anyway, let's give that a try. This sort of green stuff. If I put it there, I've got a fresh microfiber cloth here, so I'm just going to put a little bit on, get the record back into view. Hopefully yeah, looks like it's picking the dirt off. So my plan is to put a little bit of this on and just clean it. And then play it on a gramophone with a gramophone needle, which should help to remove any surplus cleaner out of the grooves and maybe any other dirt. Okay, that seems quite successful. So I'm going to put a bit more on. Just wipe that all the way around. There's a few marks on this record, but like there I can see a little bit of needle damage there, I think, but not too bad. And the record does seem a bit worn. I mean, this will probably make the record look nice and black and shiny, like it would have been when it was new, but the scratches will still be there. And I don't want to go over the label. I think the label is pressed into the shellac, but it could also still just be paper and be damaged by chemicals. So not so much come off there. Right, I'm going to put the Swarfega cap back on. Don't think we need that anymore. Yeah, certainly lifting some dirt off. Now, I'm not pretending that's perfectly clean, and I'm certainly not pretending that I'm any sort of expert in cleaning records, but that certainly does appear to be cleaner. So I think now we'll try it on the gramophone and see what it's like. So if I hold the camera here, you can see there is some debris accumulated on the needle tip. I'm just hand holding, so it's a bit shaky. And you can also see that the record is pretty shiny. There doesn't seem to be actually much accumulation or anything else actually sort of on the surface of the record. It all seems to be on the tip. And I thought the record played pretty well. I mean, it is just acoustically recorded, so it's not going to sound brilliant compared to later records, but I thought the sound of the xylophone came through pretty well. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please let me know, give me a like, and also you may enjoy this video too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.